that big animals are dangerous, but small animals are more dangerous than big animals. Now we stay away from this deadliest animal from hippopotamus to yellow deathstalker scorpion. So before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can keep up to date with all our latest and most exciting content. Here are 5 most dangerous animals in the world. Number 5. Hippo. The hippopotamus, also called the hippo, common hippopotamus or river hippopotamus, is a large, mostly herbivorous, semi-aquatic mammal and ungulate native to sub-Sahara Africa. It is one of only 2 extinct species in the family Hippopotamidae, the other being the pygmy hippopotamus. Hippos differ from all other large land mammals, being of semi-aquatic habits and spending their days in lakes and rivers. They can be found in both savanna and forest areas. However, due to their aggression and size, adult hippos are not usually preyed upon by other animals. They are the most dangerous animal on the earth and kill an astonishing 500 people a year in Africa. The hippo is rarely considered when it comes to the world's deadliest animals, but there is no question that it is one of the most dangerous on the planet. Number 4. Deathstalker scorpion.
1, 2, 3.
The deathstalker is a species of scorpion, a member of the family Buthidae. It is also known as the Palestine yellow scorpion, Omdurman scorpion, Nakab desert scorpion, and by many other colloquial names, which generally originate from the commercial captive trade of the animal. Deathstalker average size of 58 mm. Lyraeus quinquastriatus can be found in desert and scrubland habitats ranging from North Africa. The deathstalker scorpion is one of the most dangerous scorpions in the world, bearing a poison so lethal that it can cause severe and painful paralysis or death. So there is one half of the name. The other is obviously a reference to its slithery hunting style. The deathstalker prefers a quiet approach to secure food, hiding under rocks and waiting for its clueless prey to stumble into its grasp before springing out, grabbing it and stinking in the venom, either paralyze or kills the prey pretty quickly. Number 3. The saltwater crocodile.
It's exerting its dominance, it's proving.
The saltwater crocodile is the largest crocodile in the world, extremely dangerous, and those are responsible for taking hundreds of people's lives and all types of habitats in Congo. It's all weather and fresh water they have the strongest by any animal. The saltwater crocodile is the largest living reptile and crocodilian known to science. The saltwater crocodile is a crocodilian native to saltwater habitats and brackish wetlands from India's east coast across Southeast Asia. It has been listed as least concern on the IUCN Red List since 1996. It is regarded as dangerous for people who share the same environment. Males grow to a length of up to 6 meters or weight of 1000 to 1300 kg. The saltwater crocodile is a large and opportunistic hypercarnivorous apex predator. It ambushes most of its prey and then drowns or swallows it whole. It is capable of prevailing over almost any animal that enters its territory, including other apex predators such as sharks, varieties of freshwater animals. Number 2. Hyena. It's a well-known cartoon stereotype of a laughing hyena, but what exactly are they laughing at? Some kind of inside joke? Hyenas or hyenas are feliform carnivorous mammals of the family Hyenidae, with only 4 extant species and one of the smallest in the class Mammalia. Despite their low diversity, hyenas are very unique and vital components of most African ecosystems. Hyenas look like most deadliest animal in the world, but their smiling face is most scary. Any kind of outside help whatsoever, but what happens if there are no prey creatures around to feast on, and the next best thing is each other? Hyenas are apparently very enthusiastic cannibals as well as relentless scavengers. There is a reason that cartoons do not feature cowardly. Only the spotted and striped hyenas have been known to become man-eaters. Hyenas are known to have preyed on humans in prehistory. Number 1. Black mamba.
This is a proper black mamba, guys. Look at that.
Many people on our planet don't like snakes and will do anything in their power to stay away from them. It's basically a killing machine, the black mamba is widely considered to be the world's deadliest snake, and that's probably accurate. It seems Mother Nature designed. The black mamba is the most dangerous and nervous creature, and mamba poisons don't need water. When it perceives a threat, it retreats into brush or a hole. The black mamba is fast and highly venomous. I guess the human equivalent would be holding a hot cup of coffee to throw in someone's face because they are such a genetically nervous. The black mamba killed a lot of innocent humans because they made a snake nervous. There is one for the gravestone killed by a nervous snake. So ultimately, there is no question that the black mamba is one of the most dangerous snakes on the planet.